Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Write Chinese with Penny. Today I'm going to show you how to write Olympic Games, 奥运会 in Chinese. 奥运会. 奥 is a little bit complicated. It has the top part and the bottom part. And inside it has the character rice, and the bottom part is 大, the big. Okay, I'm writing this character inside and put rice in there. Okay. Make it a little bigger. Here's the bottom part is another character, means da, big. So, okay, finish this character ao. Okay. The inside is rice. I'll make it a little bigger. Rice. And the bottom part is da, big. So rice in there and big on the bottom. Ao. Yun. Okay. Yun. This character means yun, cloud. And put this in here. It means has a meaning. This part of character is partial character. It means movement. Cloud moving. Yun. Again, I'm writing this again. Yun. Hui. It has the top part, which looks like umbrella, and then there's another character inside or underneath this umbrella. The top part, it means a person or human or people in plural form. The bottom part is another Chinese character. It means cloud. Lots of people gathering. Hui means gathering or games or meet. 奥运会 Olympic Games. Thanks for watching.